Welcome to English Quizler. Today we have 40 mixed grammar quizzes to test your English. You only have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Good luck.
Choose the correct noun. The correct answer is arrival. Arrival is the noun that fits the sentence. Pick the correct pronoun. The right answer is this. We say this is heavier for one nearby box. Choose the adjective. The correct choice is strategic. Strategic describes a planned, thoughtful decision. Correct the verb form. The answer is jogs. He jogs before breakfast. Select the adverb. The correct word is confidently. Confidently tells us how she answered. Nice work so far. Keep your scorecard handy. You're doing great. Can you guess the right form? The right form is closes. The shop closes every Sunday. What is the correct form? The correct form is are developing. They are developing a new app right now. Choose the correct form. The answer is noticed. We noticed the mistake. Choose the right tense. The correct form is had already started. I had already started dinner when she called. Choose the best fit. The correct option is am planning. I am planning to learn French next year. How many are correct so far? Check your score and challenge a friend if you're ahead. Pick the right preposition. The correct choice is in. Courses begin in September. Can you pick the right preposition? The right answer is over. The painting hangs over the wall. Choose the correct word. The correct word is through. Drive through the tunnel. Choose the right expression. The correct phrasal verb is brush up on. Brush up on your Spanish before the trip. Choose the right phrase. The correct answer is come up with. Can you come up with a solution by Friday? Guess the meaning. To throw in the towels means to give up, an idiom for quitting. Choose the meaning. To call it a day means to stop working for the day, finish and rest. Choose the correct quantifier. The answer is several. There are several errors in the draft. Choose the right quantifier. The correct option is much. We need much patience for this task. Choose the correct determiner. The right answer is each. Each of the songs was memorable. Great pace. Half the quiz done, and let's crush the next half. Choose the right article. The correct answer is an. He wants to become an engineer. Can you pick the correct article? The right answer is the. They climbed to the top of the mountain. Choose correct verb. The jury is undecided. Choose the closest meaning. Tedious means boring, something long and dull. Choose the closest meaning. Conscientious means careful and thorough, someone who works carefully. Amazing progress. Comment your tally so far. Can you choose the correct pronoun? The answer is whose books I admire. Choose the correct form. The correct option is taking. She suggested taking a short break. Pick the right modal phrase. The correct answer is should. You should have told me about the delay. Choose the correct future result. The answer is will stay. If it rains, we will stay indoors. Convert to reported speech. The correct form is had gone. He asked where I had gone. You're in the final stretch, only 10 to go. Focus now, finish strong. Choose the correct passive. The correct phrase is to be announced. The results are expected to be announced. Choose the correct causative form. The answer is had. She had her car repaired last month. Can you choose the right noun? The correct collocation is decision. They made a quick decision. Choose the correct comparative form. The right option is safer. This route is safer than the highway. Pick the correct past continuous. The correct form is was studying. I was studying when the lights went out. Nearly there. If you're on a streak, shout out your score in the comments. Choose the correct future perfect form. The correct answer is will have finished. By Friday I will have finished the report. Choose the correct noun. The answer is furniture. Furniture is uncountable. Supply the correct tag. The correct tag is haven't you? You've met Mark, haven't you? Pick the correct auxiliary. The right answer is did. Rarely did she feel so happy. Choose the correct perfect continuous meaning. The correct option is will have worked. By next year she will have worked at the company for 5 years.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.